I gotta destroy everything, all the evidence, all my videos. I gotta destroy it all. I gotta destroy the hard drive. Get rid of everything. A note here.
Sweet dreams. By the time you awake, I will have hacked all your YouTube videos. There's no stopping me. Unless you have an out-of-body experience and wake yourself up, which is impossible. The derailment.
Mark, wake up!
Hey everyone! Well, it only took about 12 months, but I finally have the outer loop track done on the layout. Still no definite track plan, but that's okay. I'm doing this part by part, and the first part is complete, so that's good. I bought myself a soldering iron so I could join my flex track permanently, and some of you know how reluctant I was to solder, but a friend of mine showed me how to do it, gave me a quick lesson, and it was easier than I thought.
Most of the joints are soldered. I just didn't solder the turnouts in. So that's just held together with some rail joiners. So this one turns out onto the inner track that will go here eventually. And then the other turnout to go back into the outer track. So again, I didn't solder my turnouts because these are very expensive turnouts and I don't want to mess them up.
The trickiest part for me when it came to soldering was to avoid the gaps in the rail. Some may say having gaps is good because of the temperature change, and I mean the positive side is with the gaps it creates that clickety-clack sound, the train goes over the track. So I'm not too worried about having a few gaps. The one problem I also had was that the rails were uneven, just by a little bit. So I took my Dremel tool and smoothed them out. So the track's all down, smooth, and it should be ready to go.
The good thing about this Code 83 flex track from Pecco is that it stays in place. I have no pins, it's not glued down at all. As you can see, it is in good shape. It's not moving at all. So let's see if it runs. Okay, the moment of truth, the inaugural run. Number 2286 from Southern Pacific, using a 9-volt battery from Duracell. Let's see if the train will run. This is a fresh battery, and nothing is happening. Why? Oh, that's why. This is the dummy. Take two. Number 6705 from Santa Fe. The little switcher that could, using a 9-volt battery. Will the train run around the full track? Oh yeah. So far so good. Past my solder joints. Around the bend. So far so good. Okay, solder joints seem to work. And over the turnout. Boom. Perfect. Okay, I am very pleased. This is great. So no feeder wires just yet. I still have to do that. I still have to sand down, or file down, I should say, some of my joints where I soldered. So here, there's still a bit of unevenness. It's a little rough there. So I still have to do that. Add some feeder wires, install a bus line, paint the track, add ballast, install risers, put down the inner track loop, hook up some switch machines, add some scenery, build some kits, go to the train store, buy some milk, walk the dog. Okay, that's a wrap for this chapter in my journey. Very short. The next video in this series will be a little longer because I'm adding feeder wires and I'm going to hook up the DCC system. So stay tuned for that. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next time. Go. Okay, here goes nothing. Time to destroy the hard drive. With all my YouTube videos. Can't leave any trace. Whoever's onto me can find me now. All the information is destroyed. Suck it. What is this?